We have every type of material, from plain old steel all the way up to the most exotic materials such as Inconel and Hastelloy, bronze, beryllium copper. We even make them out of tantalum, which costs $1,200 a pound. We do a lot of springs out of titanium, an alloy called beta-C, which is a fantastic alloy because it's workable both hot and cold and develops forces that you can't get with steel. You can get twice as much force with titanium in the same area as you can with steel. We stock grades of stainless, 302, 17.7, type 321, which is good for certain types of corrosion resistance. We have NiSpan-C, which is called the constant modulus material used for thermostats. And we have Beryllium Copper, which is great for seawater applications. The stronger steels, such as chrome silicon and chrome vanadium, which give you the highest strength possible for your extension springs. We make extension springs out of very small wire, and they're used for electronic applications, precise instruments. Even your watches have small extension springs that are very, very precise. On the types of extension springs we make, we go from double-aught 8 wire thickness, which is about as thick as your hair, all the way up to 3/4 inch bar and wire, and we make everything in between. So if you're an engineer and you need a couple prototypes, we have the ability to make that for you in a few days without costing a fortune. We have every type of forming equipment available, the most modern and the best technology. The two methods of coiling we call automatic coiling, which is done on the big, large CNC lathe, and then you have the hand coiling, which is done on the lathe. The one beauty of the hand coiling lathe is you can use bar. You can't use bar on the automatic coilers because there's not enough wire to feed in to actually set the coiler up and make a spring. But on the hand coilers, you can just take a straight bar, feed it through, and you have a spring. Very simple and very reliable, and also very cost effective. So we do a lot of big springs out of titanium, stainless steel that we get in bar, and then we make the spring that way. And then we can either put hooks on it, or we could even make it into a compression spring. And of course, we have the best technicians. If you have a high-skilled workforce, you'll form the springs very accurately and also very safely. Our technician average experience is in the 25 to 35 year range, so we have fantastic technical expertise. Extension springs all require quite a bit of skill in forming the hooks, all different shapes and types, and so without a very high-skilled workforce, that becomes a very risky process.